Hello and welcome to the channel again, and we're today it's the 24th of May, I think, Sunday, and we're on a beach called Evaristo, Praia de Evaristo. And the last time we came down here, which was about 18 months ago, they had nothing here. The building in front of you, which says Evaristo on it, there's she waving, was burnt to the ground apparently, and they've rebuilt it now, which is good. It's not finished, but it looks promising. They've got like astroturf there. I'll put the drone up in a minute so you can have a good look from from the air, and I'll also put a link in the description of the previous video we did, so you can see what difference it's made. Hopefully they'll be open for the summer, but lovely quiet little beach until we came along, that is. But yeah, as you can see, people just sunbathing, taking it easy. It is Sunday, so I expect there's locals down here. Anyway, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I'll put the drone up now so you can have a look from the sky. See you in the next one. Cheers for now.